Hi, I'm Chris McClure, and this is my personal goals video presentation. For some personal information about me, I have just recently celebrated my 25th anniversary, and we have two kids, two grown kids who are both educators. I'm in my 24th year at Smoky Valley High School here in Lindsborg. It is my 27th year overall. I have, or am, coaching several sports throughout my career, as you can see listed there. I'm also our Fellowship of Christian Athletes huddle leader. My educational path has not been traditional. I earned my bachelor's degree in accounting at Ottawa University in 1991. After working in the Kansas City area as a stockbroker and then in construction, I moved back to central Kansas and earned my teaching certification at Sterling College in 1996. Since joining the staff at Smoky Valley in 1999, I earned my master's in curriculum and instruction at Wichita State University. And then, as you can see, I've taken courses at a number of other post-secondary schools. For personal goals, it's probably 50-50 on whether I retire from education in the next 5 years. I will be eligible in 2.5. We should have our mortgage paid off about 6 months before I'm eligible to retire, and that will definitely make a difference financially. Sometime during the 6 to 10 year period, I will retire from education, but unless I start playing the lottery, I will probably need to continue working somewhere. The problem will be finding something I enjoy as much as teaching and coaching, and it may depend greatly upon where our kids live and their situation. Beyond 10 years, I'm hoping to be completely retired and able to spoil any grandchildren I may have. I think that my wife and I are more ready for that stage in our life than our kids are. But I'd like to take up some golfing again. Used to golf quite a bit, and then life happens and haven't been able to as much recently. For professional goals, my professional goals are very similar to my personal goals because so much of who I am is tied to my teaching and coaching. But after completing this certification in the next couple of months, I'll need to decide if I want to continue in my current position or look for a building leadership position. As I mentioned, 6 to 10 years from now, I'm sure I will be retired from education, but continuing to work, and then beyond 10 years, I will definitely be out. I chose Fort Hays State University because of the affordability, and I have some colleagues here at Smoky Valley who have either completed the program or are currently enrolled in the program. And my expectation is to be adequately prepared to handle the rigors of building leadership if I choose that path. Thank you for your attention.